Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing another video today. So, first off, I'm gonna be showing my Nerf guns off. So first, I got this pretty sweet. Got storage to hold your bullets. Hold that right there. Second, I got this Mega. It's one of my favorites. Like, pretty sweet. Holds Mega darts. And that thing stuff. Third up, I got this one. Pretty sweet. It holds two big ones like this, but except they're sticky. Put that back in. Fourth up, I got this one. Pretty sweet. It's got an attachable rail. Stock one, and you can also reload it. Pretty sweet. And this has one. And then I also got this one. Pump with a pump action. Oh, pretty sweet. And I also got this one. And then you do this. That's pretty sweet. I can also do it's pretty sweet. I mean, it's got a lot of ammo in it, but it takes forever to reload. That's a bad thing about big guns. If they have big clips, they take forever to reload. So I got this. This one is an automatic. You can take this off. You can attach it down here if you want to do some side scoping like this. It's also pretty sweet. Put this back. And then there's also a sight which you can push up and down. Like if you don't want it, you can just push it down. If you want, put it up. And then also it's got a long stock which you can do that. So it's pretty nice. Then next up, I got my double barrel shotgun. Pretty sweet. You can put a scope here. Like I could do this. I could do that if I want to scope. It's pretty sweet. Pretty nice. Third up, or not third up. I don't know what I was doing. I think it was ninth up. So then I got this one. You can do this. Then it's pump. It's a pump. It's a pump. It's pretty sweet. And I also got this one. Take the clip out. There's also more attachable rails. Then I got this one.